That's Paul. 1 hour 20 minutes to the chair, Paul. Look at that. 1 hour 20 minutes.
Now I made it.
Yeah. You gotta go higher yet. You gotta go one more. Go sit down over there and eat your snack.
Alright, I want to eat my...
Way to go, Paul. Don't stop, don't quit.
Okay.
Almost there. We almost there, Paul. Almost to the top, boy. Can't quit now.
Okay.
You got this, yeah?
Yeah. I'm doing it.
Yes, you're doing it. Conserve your energy.
I
You almost
fell
there.
down.
That's okay. Fall down and get back up, yeah? Come on. Cannot quit. Let's go. You're almost there, Paul. Yeah. Just don't stop. Even if you have to hike slow, yeah. Hike slow, but don't stop.
I want to
Wipe my hand. Oh gosh. Okay, go. Just keep going. Just don't stop. Right above there should be the top. Uh-oh. Come on. Right there, Paul. You reached the top, Paul. Look. Up there. Go. Keep going. You're almost there.
I'm all sweaty.
That's okay. That means you worked hard, right? I want you to stop at the top, okay?
Okay.
There's a cliff.
Alright.
What's that?
And it's dangerous?
Yeah, but go, keep going. Right, there's a sign. I want you to stop at the sign. You did it, boy. 2 hours. 2 hours, 10 minutes. Not bad. Yeah, look. See the people?
Yeah, that's what they're going to eat.
That's where we can eat too. Come on. Too bad we cannot see nothing though. Gotta go, Paul.